Hello boys and girls. For today's lesson, we are still in Unit 12, Land of Glory, and we are looking into indefinite and definite articles. So basically, you can refer to your textbook, page 120. So, okay, this is basically the note, the simple note about the usage of articles. So you can see here articles. You can use a, and the. Okay, so and are considered as indefinite articles, but the is considered as definite articles. Okay, why? Because a and an are used to show not specific object, and it is used to show singular noun. Okay, so the difference between a and an: a book, an umbrella. So you see all the noun for a starts with the consonant. Okay, consonant mean letters or alphabets that are not A, E, I, O, U. So you see the initial letter of each word is consonant: B, C, M, P, L. Okay, whereby for an, we use to show a singular noun for the noun, or a singular noun for a word that has initial letter starts with A, E, I, O, U. Okay, you see umbrella, it starts with letter U. And then announcement, it starts with A. Effort, it starts with E. Okay, but this is special case. And accident, it starts with A. Okay, why do I say this is a special case? Although it starts with letter H, that is consonant, but when you pronounce the word, it is silent H. So we say an hour. We don't say an hour. No, we say an hour. Okay. Okay, so that is the usage of a and an. Okay, now the usage for the, you can use both for both words. You see, it can be the book, it also can be the umbrella. So what's the difference? The difference is we use the to show a specific object, or object that both the speaker and listener know. Okay, for example, if I say I want the book, that means that specific book. The book that on the table, for example, the book that on the desk. So it shows to a specific thing. If I say I want a book, that means you can give me any book. Okay, any kind of book. But if I say I want the book, that means that specific book. I want a very specific book. Alright. Okay, so the chair, the announcement, the monument, the effort, the phone, the hour, the laptop, the accident. Alright. So now let's put it into practice. Okay, I am a bit sorry. I am so sorry that the image is a little bit blur, but somehow I hope that you can still see it. Okay, let's just go through quickly all the 22 questions. Okay, Judy ate a banana. Okay, a banana. Okay, Jack see apple. So it starts with A. So an apple. Jack see an apple. And then I like going to park. Okay, the park. Okay, it's very specific. The park. I like going to the park. Okay. Dog. Happy dog wags its tail. That means one specific dog. That particular dog is very happy, so it wags its tail. So we use the. How many jelly beans are in the bowl? Okay, in the bowl. And then we often go camping in summertime. So when it refers to summertime, a specific time of the specific season of the year. So we use the summertime. Once I saw bear and owl. So once I saw a bear and an owl. Okay. So mom needs ice cream. So ice cream, it starts with letter I. So we put an ice cream cake from Walmart. The bus will arrive in, okay, remember hour, we use an hour, in an hour. Okay, next one. Did you go to the store today? Okay. It is cold outside, so you need a hat. Okay. You need a hat. Don't forget to bring. So umbrella start with letter U. You say an umbrella. Tom wants an orange. So orange start with letter O. So an orange. And then the chocolate chip cookies is mine. So you see, it's not any chocolate chip cookie, it's the specific chocolate chip cookie. And then I wonder if because we only have one sign, the sign will come out. I got a gold star on my homework. I ate an egg and some bacon today. Okay, turn off the lights when you leave. Okay, capital of Alaska is the. Okay, so we use the because it's specific, the capital. Okay, Mr. Jackson live in a small town. Okay, don't stay outside for more than, again, for hour we use an hour. The story has a unicorn named Elsa. A unicorn. We don't say an because when you pronounce it, it doesn't pronounce the A-E-I-O-U sound. Okay. Although it starts with letter U. Okay. And then I think that's all for today's lesson. I hope you can reread the simple notes given here, and I will provide you the link to the live worksheet for this activity so you can answer all these 22 questions on the live worksheet link. Alright, so that's all from me. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.